Have you ever wondered why 73% of creators are turning to AI to scale their side income? It's a staggering number, and it points to a massive shift in how we work, create, and earn. The old way, the grind, the hustle, the endless hours spent on tasks that don't directly move the needle, is becoming obsolete. The reason for this shift is simple. Because automation eats busy work for breakfast and leaves nothing but payday on the table. It's about reclaiming your time, your most valuable asset, and focusing it on what truly matters: strategy, creativity, and growth. Imagine a world where the tedious, repetitive parts of your workflow just disappear. That's not science fiction anymore. It's the reality for those who know how to leverage the right tools. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I play that game. This isn't about abstract theories or get-rich-quick schemes. This is a practical, step-by-step framework that I use to build a real, recurring revenue stream from scratch. The entire strategy boils down to a simple, two-part principle. First, you need to pick one emerging technology and commit to it. The temptation is to chase every shiny new object, to be a jack-of-all-trades. But that's a recipe for burnout and mediocrity. True leverage comes from depth, not breadth. Your first option is AI. This is the powerhouse of content creation, data analysis, and personalization. It's arguably the most accessible and versatile technology for creators right now. Next, you have Web3. This is the frontier of decentralization, digital ownership, and community building. Think NFTs, DAOs, and token-gated content. It has a steeper learning curve, but the potential for creating unique, high-value offerings is immense. And finally, there's pure play automation. This is about connecting different apps and platforms to create seamless, hands-off workflows. Think tools like Zapier or Make, but taken to the next level to run entire business processes for you. Once you've picked your tech, the second part of the principle is to master just one, practical use case. Don't try to build a full-blown AI-powered SaaS company from day one. Instead, find a single, high-leverage problem you can solve repeatably. For me, the choice was clear. I focused on AI. And the one practical use I decided to master was building hyper-efficient content systems. Specifically, I zeroed in on 3 core pillars that were eating up most of my time. First, creating content templates. As a creator, you know that consistency is king, but staying consistent is hard. You have to come up with ideas, outline them, write drafts, and format them for different platforms. It's a grind. So, I used AI to build a template engine. I developed a series of master prompts. For example, I have one prompt that takes a single core idea and instantly generates a Twitter thread, a LinkedIn post, a newsletter section, and 3 short video scripts, all in a consistent tone of voice. This isn't about letting AI write for me. It's about using AI as a strategic partner to structure my ideas at lightning speed. This single system took my content output from 5 pieces a week to 25, while cutting my creation time by 80%. The second pillar was quick research. Every piece of valuable content is built on a foundation of solid research. But who has time to read a dozen articles, academic papers, and market reports for a single blog post? I built an AI-powered research workflow. It works like this. I feed a list of URLs or documents into a custom AI agent. I then ask it specific questions like, what are the top 3 counterarguments to this point? Or, extract all statistics related to market growth from these reports and present them in a table. The AI acts as my personal research assistant, synthesizing information and delivering the exact insights I need in minutes, not hours. This allows me to go deeper on topics and create content with a level of authority that would be impossible otherwise. And the third pillar was automated outreach. Growing an audience and a business requires making connections. But sending generic, copy-pasted DMs is a waste of time. It doesn't work. So, I built a semi-automated outreach system. I connected my social media accounts to an automation platform. When someone new in my target audience follows me, the system triggers an AI agent to analyze their profile, recent posts, and bio. The AI then drafts a highly personalized, non-salesy opening line for a direct message. For example, it might say, "Hey name, I saw your post about specific topic and loved your point on specific detail. Have you considered?" The draft then lands in a queue for me to review, edit, and send. It's the perfect blend of AI-powered efficiency and genuine human connection. This system alone has led to countless collaborations, client leads, and meaningful conversations. Now here's where the magic really happens. Once you've mastered a practical use and built a system around it, you've not only solved your own problem, but you've also created a blueprint that is incredibly valuable to others. So the next logical step is to productize your system. Then I built micro-products around these exact workflows. The first and easiest micro-product is templates. I took my master prompts, the ones I developed for creating content, doing research, and drafting outreach, and packaged them into a digital product. I called it the AI Content OS. It's a simple database of copy and paste prompts that anyone can use to replicate my system. It's a low-cost, high-value product that provides an immediate win for the customer. The second micro-product was short courses. While templates tell you to do, a course shows you to do it. I created a 90-minute video course called Automation for Creators, where I walk people through my exact research and outreach workflows screen by screen. I show them which tools I use, how I connect them, and how to troubleshoot common problems. This caters to people who want more guidance and are willing to pay a premium for a structured learning experience. And the third, and most powerful, micro-product was a monthly newsletter that sells itself. This is my premium paid newsletter. Each week, I share one new advanced strategy, template, or workflow that I've developed. It's my ongoing R&D. The free content I post on social media, created using my AI systems, acts as the top of the funnel. It demonstrates my expertise and builds trust. At the end of each post, I have a simple call to action. If you found this helpful, you'll love my premium newsletter where I share my best strategies. The free content proves the value, and the newsletter captures it. It's a self-perpetuating engine for recurring revenue. So, you're probably thinking, this all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work? You want proof? I went from zero to recurring revenue in 90 days. Let me break that down for you. In the first 30 days, I focused exclusively on mastering my AI content system. I didn't sell a thing. I just created valuable content and built an initial audience of about 1,000 followers who were interested in my process. In the next 30 days, I launched my first micro-product, the AI Prompt Template Pack. I priced it at a modest $29. In the first week, I made over $1,500. This was the validation I needed. In the final 30 days, I launched the paid newsletter at $15 a month. By leveraging the audience I had built and the customers from my template pack, I signed up over 200 subscribers in the first month, generating $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So, within 1 quarter, I had built a business with both one-off product sales and a stable, predictable subscription income. The secret to this speed was a relentless process of rapid iteration. I achieved this by testing fast and doubling down on what works. I didn't spend months perfecting a product before launching. I launched a minimum viable version, got feedback, and improved it. I tracked every piece of content. If a certain style of post got high engagement, I made more of it. If a product sold well, I created more products like it. It's a simple feedback loop. Build, measure, learn, and repeat. So now, it's your move. You have the complete framework. You've seen how to turn a single skill into a system, and that system into a suite of profitable micro-products. The only thing standing between you and this reality is action. Don't get overwhelmed. Just start small. Pick one tech, AI, Web3, or automation. Then pick one tiny, annoying problem in your own workflow that you can solve with it. Commit to iterating weekly. Spend a few hours every week refining your solution. Document your process. Share what you're learning. You don't need to be an expert on day one. You just need to be one step ahead of the people you're helping. And finally, find a way to monetize one repeatable process. That's your first micro product. It could be a simple checklist, a template, or a 10-minute video guide. Get it out there and get your first dollar of revenue. That's the most important milestone. Now, I know this is a lot to take in, and the hardest part is often getting started. So, to make it easier for you, I've put together all of my personal templates, prompts, and workflow diagrams into a single starter kit. Want my exact toolkit? It's completely free. All you have to do is follow me and check out the link in my bio for the step-by-step guide. Let's stop trading time for money and start building systems that work for us. Let's get started.